Alright, so this point, that's my son. At this point, we did a compression test and leak down test. Like I said, this is build motor. I have no idea what be done to it, what kind of pistons and stuff like that. By looking at it, looks like it's GE pistons. So as before, I said cylinder number 3 got really bad spark plug and it's wet. So I don't know what's causing to it. We have to see. So, oh, here we go. So what we got? Cylinder number 1, 170. Cylinder number and 38 leak down. Sounds like intake valve. Cylinder number 2, 160. 40% leak down. Same thing, intake valve. Sounds like it's going to the intake. 165 cylinder number 3, 20%, which is acceptable. Cylinder number 4, 165 pressure and 2% leak down, good. And cylinder number 5, 172, 38%, not so. Could be just the valve seal, leaking. Oh, seat. Cylinder number 6, this is the lowest compression, 158, 5%. Which is good leak down. Engine is not hot, so I'm assuming the pressure it's all fine, not really crazy about it. So leak down test shows could be the valve not sealed properly. That's what I think. So next thing what I would do, probably clean up everything, throw the new spark plugs, start the engine, see what's going on, because at this point I have my code, whatever it was stored in the ECU, rough, idle, and smoking pretty bad. So this is the main issue, rough, idle, and smokes. As far as I see, the way everything looks, I have to pull the turbo charge pipe, and by the pipe you can see if it's pushing the oil through the turbo or it's pushing the oil through the PCV system. So one of those. Definitely can see the PCV system is all wet and it's oily, so that could be, issue, because when people build the engines, it's definitely more blow by to the piston seal rings, sorry. So it's creating more pressure, crankcase pressure. At that point, you gotta pretty much install the new PCV system with a catch can and custom catch can, and breathing valve. So yeah, at this point the engine's still fine, it should run. So let's throw the spark plug, see what's going on. I just want to show you that. I know the Audi, they really damn fucked up on the valve guides. But this one, look at this. Look at that thing. This guide is shot. I don't even know if I should try this, but I'm pretty sure this one is bad. And in comparison, that much gap. This one is better, but that one is definitely the worst one. drill a damn big hole. There you go. So here's the springs. They're a little bit rusted. I don't know why. Our car was sitting for long or was assembled like this. So this is exhaust side. Stamp. And they have a little bit crap on it. Yeah, they bad one. And this is the intake side. They look a little bit better inside, right? Oops. My bad. Yeah, that looks a little bit better. This is the one I think got big shaft. Alright, so yeah, that's it. Not even antifreeze, which is not really good for the engine, especially cast iron engine. Yep, clear water, just a little bit antifreeze. There is no pump, coolant pump. I know it should be there. Here's the plug. Me personally, if you have a high performance car, a lot of power, you should have this pump. What it does, it circulate coolant through the engine and to the turbine, turbo. Sorry, I don't know why I keep saying turbine. So it's keeping on cooling off the turbine, turbos and the whole engine block with the heads and everything. Let's say if you truck your car for 20-30 minutes, it's gonna be pretty hot. So yeah, I would recommend to have it, or at least replace it somewhere else, so it's, you know, easy to get to it. Yeah, it's disconnected now and there is no pump. Here's another thing, I just realized that your AGT sensors is not connected. Just cut it, that's all. And same thing on this side. You see this one right there? Yeah, it's got it too. Of the turbo. So what it does, it reads exhaust temperature, which is really important. Like I said, for the high performance cars, stage 3 plus, or stage 4, with the bigger turbos and specially built motor. So you must have that. Some people just, you know, trying to save money, they cut it and just, you know, code it out on ECU, and that's it. But you need something to monitor health of your engine. So, and this is really good feature. It's already preset in the car. I don't know why people do that. I wish if I have on my S5 each side headers, you know, to see the temperature. Whatever. Just want to show you another little trick. So put the engine lift on the block and unscrew the transmission. So let it, you know, training be loose, and engine mounts. Just take the bolts off and lift the engine with the transmission. So that way you can get to the bottom of the bolts, which is right there. As you see, I can get it from other side. This is wrong bolt, so that's why it's like pain in the butt to take it out. So yep, that's how we're doing. So all the engine with transmission, you know, goes up a little bit, and I'm gonna able to do it from this side over here. Okay, just for in case if you have trouble to take those 3 bolts on the bottom. Okay, so engine is out. It was a lot easier than the newest car like B8, A6 or S5, S4, whatever. So B5, it's really damn easy. Yeah, as far as I can see, the turbo looks good to me. I didn't see any sign of the leak. These pins. This is. I'm gonna send the turbo anyway for repair. and for checkup. This one a little bit, actually no, it's fine. I don't see, yeah, small plate shaft, but it's a journal bearing, so they, you know, they have some play. What else? Clutch. I don't know what the hell clutch. What kind of clutch is this? I have no clue. I gotta take it out and see. Yeah, engine is out, so we gotta start disassemble everything. The heads is 2.7, so we gotta try to get 2.8 heads. Port a little bit intake, I guess. And yeah, I'm gonna make everything looks nice. Gotta clean up whole engine bay because a lot of grease, a lot of oil inside. Yeah, this dump pipe, it's not correct. I don't know what the hell. It was rewelded like 3-5 times, I guess, and it's touching the firewall over there in the corner. Now it's down a little bit, but you can see it was, you know, pretty damn close. It's like this. So somebody just, you know, did something. So I have to cut it and I guess extend a little bit piece, so that way it's gonna go down a little bit. Yeah, otherwise everything looks fine. I don't see any problems yet, except small stuff. Transmission, I saw the plug, so this car was automatic, definitely. I see the plugs for the automatic transmission. I guess got converted to the stick shift. Yep, here we are. Engine is out, and now it's gonna be fun part to take everything apart and see how everything looks inside. Bearings, pistons, piston rings, cylinder head, cylinder bore. So pretty much we're gonna do the whole investigation of the engine. I'm not sure how many miles that engine was put in. I think it's not even 5,000, I guess. I'm not sure, but it looks pretty damn horrible, all dirty and rusted. So yeah, we gotta take apart and see what's going on. It's high performance flywheel, I can see that, and it's glazed a little bit by clutch, so your clutch was slipped a bit. Clutch looks to me like OEM or kind of hybrid clutch, which is not really good for the power you're looking for. So we're definitely gonna need a new clutch. I think this is the RS4, probably RS4. I'll check by the part number if I find it, of course. So yeah, clutch is gone. All right, do you guys think is this? So the whole engine was pretty much filled just regular water. I'm pretty sure it's not even distilled water, just regular. It's crazy. Just want to show you one thing. This is the left side turbo, oil drain. Looks like it's a silicone and nothing. I don't think so there's anything. No gasket, just a freaking silicone. I can't believe this. The turbine, it looks fine. Small shaft play, but for journal bearing this is normal. When the oil pressure kicks in, it's gonna be stable. Same thing this side. I just, you know, take it out. No gasket. That's a really big mistake. All right. And yeah, well, not really looks good to me. Definitely not really. First of all, it's pretty old, and second one, I don't know how many times was changed after the build, but this is seems like too much stuff and a magnet. Look at that. Yeah, not cool, not cool. Yeah, honestly, first time ever I see something like this. Just pull out the flywheel, you see in my GoPro. And first of all, the bolt was like mad tight. It's too much, it was over tight. Can't even see the groove now for the bolts, right? And I guess somebody just put a new rear seal, I don't know, or it was before, who the hell knows. Yeah, that's how it is. I know, it's fucking weird shit. Crazy. So here's the oil leak. It used to be here. And it was leaking a lot. I can tell that. Right from here. Crazy, right? Here's another thing. I just pulled the starter out, so I don't know if it's this normal or not. Please let me know. Maybe it's because there are 6 turbos, I don't know. So this is definitely was modified. Yeah, I'll get a new one. Alright, so I pulled out this head. And as you can see, this piston looks discoloration different, right? I guess because of the misfire and got more fuel, that's why this piston looks cleaner. It's all because of the oil. So I gotta pull it out the rest of the stuff, pistons and everything, and see how it's, looks. Doesn't look to me doesn't look to me the G pistons. Seems like it's just the original S4 piston. I'm not quite sure. When I pull it out, I'm definitely gonna tell you. Yeah. The block is all rusted inside because was used regular water. Maybe just sink, from the freaking. It's not supposed to be like that, definitely. So it's all rusted inside. All the gasket is rust. So here's the cylinder number 3. As you can see, it looks wet and cleaner than other cylinders. That means it was misfiring and just fuel clean up all the crap. And it was for a long time. You can see the build-up, oil build-up on the valve, right? Like this area, that area, and nothing here. A little bit was on this side. And yeah, the head is inside as well. You see the corrosion? That's because no antifreeze, just regular water. Not cool, guys. Okay, so pretty much everything is almost disassembled. So in this car they use the IRP head studs, IRP main studs, integrated engineering connecting rods. Bearing looks so. Got little scratches. And I don't know how many miles the car went through. I don't know what the hell is this. That one looked like it was a dirt or something. So this one is definitely not good. This is cylinder number 3 actually. Because of maybe of the fuel. I have no clue. Because car was misfiring too much. And most likely the fuel go through the cylinder and down to the down to the connecting rod. I don't know. This is really weird. So the coating just ripped off, you know. Yeah, so yeah, we gotta probably keep the connecting rods, just need the new pistons. This is the original pistons. Let me see if horn was done. Yeah, I don't see any horn on the cylinder. Beyonce, I believe. Yeah, there's no horn, definitely. So it was, here's some scratches on cylinder. So just seems like was simple connecting rods change, that's all. Yeah, you see how much the piston go down? So it's perfect for stroke. There's the original place where the piston stop. Yeah, we gotta do the stroke. Alright, because why we decided to go stroke? Because we still have to get the new pistons. So why not? Why not why not put a bigger stroke and the power, the one I look for 600 to the wheel, not more than that, 550, 600, so it will be perfect setup, early, torque, and should be right. These engines can hold up to 700, like 650 probably. Torque to the wheel, it's gonna be limit, safe point, I would say. With the torque over 700, yeah, it's probably gonna destroy the block. That's what I did at my car. It was close to 700 wheel torque and got cracked main web without griddle. So we can put a griddle on that thing just for in case. We'll see. Alright, so at this point, engine is disassembled. We gotta wait for the all performance parts and go from there. Peace.